Alright, we're up to doing a car airbag the wrong way. Looks like it might have come out of a Ford. And we're going to put it under the windshield of a Cavalier 94 RS 3.1 in not very good running condition because the block is cracked because it had water in it. We'll see what happens. Are you ready? Yeah. Fire the hole. Get a shot of me. Got the wires, got the battery. Okay, countdown, get your car. 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
airbag.
Piece of crap.
I was expecting shit to fly out.
Code, eh? Piece of crap.
Yeah.
Piece of crap. Fucking Lexus, man. For sure the guy died in that car.
See that? That's a good airbag. It doesn't blow your head off. Last time I smoked things like that was last night.
Here, spit on this, I'll show you how hot it is.
That guy's dead.
I can one up that.
Spit
I have
on
a piece
it.
of gum.
Cork on that thing there, Code.
See, it's sizzling hot.
I've seen worse.
Hey Dave. Here's the driver's head. How
Piece
you
of gum,
managed
why
to wedge
not?
it in there, right? Not a big deal.
Whoa, redneck cooking shit.
That's all it did. I've seen a lot better ones on the internet.
Epic fail.
Yeah. Okay, we'll do a microwave now.
Sorry to say, but the Lexus airbags.
Yeah, there's a microwave. Okay, take 2. Passenger side airbag in your average everyday color keyed microwave that matches your car. And we're pointing the bag part towards the door. Okay, are you ready? Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa! Yeah, buddy! That was an excellent one.
Man. This one didn't even need a boost. Holy moly!
Anybody need a Magneto there?
Oh, look how big it is. That's why. No, see how.
Still worked. Hold on.
Where's the hot?
Just a little dirty. It's still good.
Oh, that's not near as hot.
Oh, that's fine. It's I can still make hot dogs like that. It's not a problem. That's right.
That would have lifted that.
Oh, that one would have lifted it. Yeah.
There you guys go. You wanted to know what would happen between a Japanese microwave versus a German airbag? Well,
No, what happened is World War III. They don't get along.
that's right.
We're busted. Hey, does anybody need any beer served or anybody to protect your beer? Where have you been all this time?
Drinking and blowing stuff up.
Yep. Nothing unusual. Yeah.